Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I am really excited to share with you all my first ever challenge invite. I am joining together with Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, and we are going to invite all of you to participate in a really fun challenge. It's a challenge that I absolutely adore and love to take part in. It is the Useful DIY Challenge. So this time, the theme for the challenge is paper craft. Anything to do with paper. So we encourage you to dig into your paper stash, check out your recycling bin, or even just go rummaging in somebody's stash, whatever you need to do to come up with some kind of a DIY using some sort of a paper product. So the rules are, we ask that you title your video Useful DIY Challenge November 2019. Place that somewhere in your title, wherever you see fit. We also ask that you use the hashtag Useful DIY Papercraft. Put this into the description box. Please put this in as you're uploading your video. That way here, the presets for the playlist will pick up your video and place it into the playlist automatically. It is so handy. Now, if you add the hashtag after you've uploaded, it won't automatically populate the playlist, but Mom will have the playlist link for you to add your video in her challenge video description. So you can always hop on over there, or you can ask either one of us for help on how to add your video to the playlist. We ask that you mention both of our channel names in your video to let everybody know that we are co-hosting and hosting this challenge. Subscribe to both of our channels, as well as put the links to our channels in your description box to your video, along with the playlist. The upload date is November 14th at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you're not sure what time that is in your time zone, just Google it. It will show you. I myself am in Pacific Standard Time, so that is 4:30 a.m. for me. And lastly, we ask that you show us all your DIY project and how you created your DIY. Most of all, have fun. I want to thank Mom for inviting me to co-host along with her. I'm going to have her channel link down in my description box. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask away down in the comments section, or pop on over to Mom's channel and feel free to ask her as well. I really look forward to this upcoming challenge. It really is a fun one for me. I absolutely love it. I want to thank you all for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.